Hey there. Welcome to my new tutorial on how to disable read receipts on Twitter. When using Twitter, it can be beneficial to maintain a certain level of privacy in interactions with other users. One feature that enables greater discretion is turning off read receipts, which prevents other users from seeing when you've read their messages. However, in doing so, you also lose the ability to see when other users have read your messages. So, if you're ready, let's get started with the process. The first thing you need to do is open your Twitter app. After that, in the top left corner of the screen, tap on your profile. Now that you're in the drop-down menu, tap on Settings and Support, then on Settings and Privacy. Once you're in the settings, tap on Privacy and Safety. After that, select the Direct Messages option. Scroll down and then tap on the toggle switch for the Send Read Receipts option. That's it. You've now turned off read receipts on Twitter. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, please like and of course, subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. Take care, and see you soon in the next video.